Is Shiva meditating upon his mind? So Shiva is meditating upon the space between two different manifested items. So there is two aspects to any manifestation. One is Sakar, one is Nirakar. Sakar means something that you can see me. So you see me in that form. So this is my Sakar form, means like it is something which is manifested. So a particle is manifested. But between that particle, like a particle is vibrating, right? So if there was no space, could it vibrate? No. To vibrate or to move, you need to have space in order to move forward, right? Agree? So that space in between which is nothing, which is nothingness, is what Shiva is meditating upon. So the difference between the cosmos and the manifested, so non-manifestation and manifested, is the difference in space.